Hey guys, it's Katie. So I'm gonna go ahead and change my door handle. This is the one that I bought. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description below so you can see which one I got. So this is my BMW 335i. It's an e90, 2008. But this needs to get changed. Let's go. So I'm gonna go ahead and pry this out with my pry tools. Just insert this. Should be easy to take out. So there. And then this is the new one. Oh, there we go. I think. There. So yeah, that's how you change the outer part of the indoor handle. Now it's nice and smooth and soft and all that stuff. Later.